Section 3, we'll be mobilizing with Android development. During this section, we're going to be discussing Droid and Android. Basically, just an introduction to the Android development system. Studio time. We're going to be installing our very own version of Android Studio. Strings on me. Here, we're going to learn how to create and cast strings. Color me. This is where we're going to be adding some colors to our Android application, give it a little bit of flair. Imagination. We're going to learn how to insert images into our Android application. Calling audio files. That's right, we're going to learn how to embed audio files. And then finally we're going to finish up with multi-paging. And here we're just going to learn how to add multiple pages to your Android app, and then create buttons to link to those pages. Droid and Android. Just an introduction to the Android development system. The Android development process. And the very first thing we have to do is the design stage. During this stage, you will want to brainstorm just exactly how you want your app to work and what it should do. After that, we're moving on to the coding stage. Now, this is where we can develop our Android app based upon our blueprints we created. And then finally, live and updates. Now that we have everything built, we can push our app live to the market. And then we can push updates as we need it. In this video, Droid and Android. Introduction to Android development. Android applications, when they were first introduced, was a great way to have companies' websites mobile. This allowed for users to interact with a company and have information handy. Now, we have advanced applications that allows us to build chat services, push notifications, and other amazing features inside. Now, simply amazingly, the T-Mobile G1 was introduced in October of 2008. This was the very first Android device ever. Actually, technically, it's the first what we call smartphone device ever in the history of smartphones. And now, since then, we have actually seen various Android devices hit the shelves. We might see like the Galaxy series, the Note series, just a bunch of different Android versions. Even the new Google Pixel is still an Android-based computer. The Google Play Store actually started off as the Android market back in 2008 when the T-Mobile G1 was introduced. And since then, Google created what we call now the Google Play Store. Now this allows them to combine the Android market, Google Music, and the Google eBook Store. Now back in 2008, there was fewer than 1,000 apps on the market. Today, we have millions.